Hi, this is Jeremy Avery from Roche Realty Group. About 4 years ago, my partner Joe McDonald and I did a project over here in Tilton called Highland Ridge. And we're back here today at 54 Rolling Hills Drive for one of the first resales of this great community. I'm going to give you a little tour of the house and talk a little bit about it and some of the upgrades that these folks did during their time here. One of the best things about this house is the great layout. You can live your entire life on the first floor. Really nice master suite off that first floor. Spacious bathroom, nice walk-in closet, and a great kitchen, open concept living space as well. Sunroom, and then this beautiful deck out here that you can see, which is an expanded version of the regular deck at Highland Ridge. It also includes an entry door from the master bedroom onto the deck for morning coffee or whatnot. We're out here now. It's an unbelievable sunny day. You can see the great sun that this house gets and the deck gets as well. 2 bedrooms upstairs in addition to that, plus a full bath, 2-car garage, full basement. It's a great home and a great community, great spot too in Tilton here. You're only about 5 minutes away from the highway, but you're out in the nice countryside. So that's a great house to check out. Come take a look. So you've seen the great pictures and the really nice video of this beautiful house. And if you want some more information, you should check out the website that I do for all our single family homes and our projects. It's on the screen below. There's a lot more information and more videos, more pictures, and then you can give us a call.